Hello everyone, today I'm doing a step-by-step tutorial of how to drive fly the stealth boat in Sharkbite. And I did say I'll do this in the review, so here I'm doing it now. Once we can get in, hopefully we're not a shark, otherwise that would be annoying. So stealth boat flying is really easy, easy. You just gotta get the hang of it. So we have our stealth boat right here. Just go 20 seconds. So you need to be moving to fly, otherwise you'll just sit there and do nothing. Staying. Let me just go. There we go. Alright, so first things first, when you spawn in, you'll just be here. Alright, so what you'll notice is when you go underwater, your wings spread out and you're just straight. But then when you go up above the water, it goes normal like this. So your aim of the game is to have the whole boat or most of the boat underwater while having the wings looking like this. Because some people like this and hold it for too long and they just do this. So what you need to do is go underwater. You've got to get the timing exactly perfect. Oh, not exactly perfect, but you can't just go underwater and expect to fly. So what you do, you go under about this much, and then go forward, and then you start flying. Just like that. So I'll show you in a bit. It's a good way for escaping the shark and stuff. So okay, I'll go a little bit, and then I'll launch up. And you can go down again if you get the timing right. And you can fly around. Now I've done insanely massive jumps, because when you're practicing it, you can go like this, like that. Bro, the shark died. But still, it's all about above the water shape of the boat, with your wings kind of bent, not straight, if you know what I mean. Underwater and going forward or moving backwards or whatever. That's how it pretty much flies and works. I'll show you tricks you can do with it. And something that I forgot to say in the review, when your boat is flipped, you can either take a good 2 seconds to drive fully underwater and then come back up, and that'll make you fly. But yeah, there's another way. You just gotta go underwater. You just gotta go hold Q or whatever your underwater button is, and then you instantly flip over, then you can start flying again. I'll show you in a sec. Alright, so right here, let me just try and flip myself super quick. I got flipped, so I did fly. Oh, not quite. I'm just gonna try and flip myself. I'm just gonna see it. Flip. I was trying to flip. Good thing about this boat is that it doesn't really flip that often, which is a good thing. Hopefully this will flip it. Alright. No! It's so hard to flip. That's a good thing, but at the moment it's not really a good thing. I'm trying to show you guys. No. You know, you get the idea. It's really good. Just gonna see to quickly flip back. They just hit the barrier, please. No! Alright, so if you hold the go down thing, look. Oh, I was lagging, so it was a bit hard to see, but it instantly flips you back. It's really good. So you just gotta go down, up, and you start flying everything. it is a insanely good glitch, and it just makes it the best boat in the game because you can pretty much escape the shark every single time, like every single time. I'll show you in a sec. I'll try to get nice up close and personal with the shark, and then I'll instantly escape. It's really overpowered. Like, the shark bite, do not remove it because yeah. If you remove it, I'll be sad. Cause yeah, it's just good. So I'll show you. So the shark's right next to you. So you literally just gotta be. You can, even if you're moving slowly forward, you can still just quickly move forward. Get out of the way. Shit. Is that my stuff right there? I think there might be another person serving all this stuff, but okay, so say shark's right there. Just quickly go like this. Fly away. It's that simple. Please don't be AFK. Alright, thank goodness. Alright, so say you do have to get a decent amount of speed to go high. You can't be going slow to go high, but you can even just go underwater tiny bit like this. Then you just do a small jump, but you still get far, and it makes you go fast. So say the shark is that barrel, it's chasing you. Go underwater. Easy getaway, and then it's tough. Shoot. Then you can get all these flips. You just gotta keep this shape underwater pretty much. So don't hold the underwater button, otherwise you'll go like this. Just, you know, keep this shape and go underwater while going forward pretty much. And then you'll start flying. Do lots of backflips like I just did. You can start doing like these little cartwheels. I'm lagging a whole lot. Like this. Spin around circles. There's another stuff, but at least she knows how to fly. See the shark right there? Escape. Snap, I'm lagging. I'm gonna blame that on lag because I had no control just then. But it's super cool because if you lose a leg, then the shark can literally not catch you. I'm literally just holding the 4 button. And now I'm like this. And I can still move forward and stuff, I think, in mine. But still. So, definitely try that. It's really good. And, yeah. I will see you guys in the next one. Try it out for shark. Can't get straight away, don't use that button. Super easy. And I'm about to die. See ya.